Hello guys, welcome back. This is Onyx Food Hill. Please do remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and also leave your comments below. Quickly, I'm going to show you how to make a quick northern soup, which is Miyan Kuka. This soup is made from dried baobab leaves. Kuka is made from dried baobab leaves. So this is how kuka looks like. This soup is also called luru soup, in case you're not familiar with the name. So this is made from baobab leaves. So I have here my dried kuka, dawa dawa. So I just blended this, crayfish, palm oil, blended pepper, chopped onions, 2 pieces of beef, catfish. You need dried catfish in Miyan Kuka soup because of the nice flavor it adds to the soup. So I also have here 2 stock cubes, blended ginger and garlic. So these are the few ingredients you need for this soup. Let's get cooking. Because I didn't cook my beef very well, so I'm going to bring the beef into a pot. I'm going to add chopped onions to it, just a little pepper, and I'm also adding in 1 stock cube to the meat so it tastes nice. I will also add in a pinch of salt and the blended ginger, just a little. Once I've seasoned the meat, I'm going to add in just a little water to it. I'm going to cook the beef until it turns out very soft. So you can check the description box for the quantity of ingredients I used for this soup, and also while the beef is boiling, you can choose to remove the bones from the fish, then rinse it, or you can decide to add the fish whole just the way it is without having to break it into tiny pieces. Set it aside. So I've cooked the meat for a while now. I'm going to add more water to it. So before the meat comes to a boil, I'm going to add some seasoning. You remember I remained some of the spices and the seasoning. I'm adding in more garlic and ginger, pepper as well, ground crayfish, the remaining stock cube. I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of ground Dawa Dawa. So this is locust beans, and just 1 cooking spoon of palm oil. So I'm just going to stir this, then bring the dried fish into it. I'm going to leave this to cook for 10 minutes. Now this is almost the final step. In order not to end up with a lumpy soup, you are going to take out the meat and the beef from the stock. After you've taken out the meat and the beef from the stock, you are left with an empty stock. So now you are going to whisk in the dried baobab leaf, which is the kuka. Now we are going to gently whisk in the dried kuka. So as you're adding it a little at a time, make sure you stir so it doesn't form lump. So this is what you do. You add a little at a time, then you wait to check if you like the consistency. If you're happy with the consistency, you can stop adding the kuka, or you can even adjust it by adding a little water if it is too thick. So because I feel it's too thick, I'm going to add in a little more water to it to adjust it to the way I love it. So you make sure you stir this continuously until the consistency is adjusted. Okay, this is the consistency I love, not too thick and not watery at the same time. So I'm going to bring in the meat I took out from the soup. Gently drop in the fish and the meat you took out. Cover and allow this to cook properly. Now let's get back to Miyan Kuka. Give the soup a nice stir, then test for salt. You can adjust every other ingredient if it needs that. This is perfect. It tastes really delicious. I love the taste. The soup is very simple to prepare. Doesn't really need much ingredients. Just few spices and ingredients and you're okay. Now our Miyan Kuka is ready. So guys, this is it. Miyan Kuka is ready. To tuwo shinkafa, tuwo masara, and tuwo acha are perfect combination with Miyan Kuka, but I'll be pairing mine with alebo. Alebo is very common in the north, so it's a perfect swallow also. You can just pair this with any of your favorite swallow. This was a simple way of preparing baobab soup. I hope you loved this video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and also leave your comments below. Until next time, have a wonderful day.